Hi, here's a quick walkthrough of your event in Remo. When you first join the event, you'll be placed randomly at a table, but your camera and microphone won't be on yet. The navigation bar at the bottom lets you control when your camera and microphone are on. In the same navigation bar, you'll have access to 3 different chats: the general chat, the table chat, which is just for people at your table, and the private chat, where you can message different attendees privately. To edit your profile at any time, click the circle in the upper right and click My Profile. You can edit your profile to include a photo and more information so other attendees can learn more about you. When you're ready, turn on your camera and mic to join in on the conversation at your table. When you want to move to a different table, just double-click on it. You can make the videos bigger or smaller by clicking Tile View on the bottom left. When someone new joins your table, you'll hear a knock-knock sound. Now that you know the basics, feel free to move around the room and enjoy your event.